MC21 SRID. The class of MC24 embarked on a machine design 4 project.
They worked on assembling the parts of a lawnmower. Got in touch with the course rep, and this is what he had to say.
Okay, so these are MC4 class reps, and then we are about asking them some questions. How did the project come about?
Okay, the project is solely a course we undertook this semester, and the name of the course is Machine Design 4. So we were asked to apply the application of the course, and we were tasked to fabricate. That's a lawnmower.
Okay.
So that's the reason we took this decision, and we designed and we fabricated a lawnmower.
The Dean of Students for SRID was at the machine trial, and this is what he had to say.
Having been a student and also a lecturer in a university, I remember during my time, I never saw any group of students assembling anything. I never saw that. I didn't also see any of the other program coming up with things that today some of you are doing. But in the midst of not having certain facilities, I'm sure that is what is even bringing out innovation.
It's one less music, baby.
Anytime close to you, yeah, yeah, yeah. My heart is on a single song for you, baby. Try come another day, don't mind the West, not only you be my baby, baby. When you round at the phone, that is fair.
Now you boy project in the Miana sponsor be my is my book up, I'm
Why the blink, cause every minute